rabbit went in the hole, and Sissy girl thinks she's gonna get it out. What do you think, Kendall?
She might. Keep on digging. Just keep digging long enough, she'll get it out of there. She's pretty persistent.
Hey Max, what do you think?
Moving some dirt.
Yeah. She's gonna get it out of there. Get him, sis. Get him, sis, girl. Where's he at, girl? Where's he at, sis, huh?
Shit. Thought she had him.